All right, everyone. Next, we have the Cobra drop sequence. So make sure you have a crash pad and a spotter if you need one. Okay, we're gonna start in the back wrap straddle. So push the fabric down to your back, straddle the legs open, crochet your feet, bend one knee, climb yourself up, tuck yourself into a tight little ball, extend the legs, open, peeling through, and then squeeze the legs together. And we're gonna straddle back again. You're gonna hook one leg over, climb yourself up, hook the knee, climb, 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 scoot the fabric to the hip, bring your right hand forward, and then fabric is right in between your hips. Okay, you can back bend as much as you want here. We're gonna drop and reach for the poles in 3, 2, 1. Drop forward, reach for the poles, and then from here you can squeeze the legs together, come through your locust, and then into your inverted pigeon.